Mr. O'Keefe from the Rollins School. Today is August 27, 2018, our first day back to the Rollins School. As all of you know, we had a fire last December, and we're so happy to come home. We welcomed the K classes this morning. Today we have the superintendent of schools, our new superintendent, Cynthia Paris, to help join us.
Thank you, thank you. It's been a wonderful welcome, and I'm so excited to have been here this morning to receive the kindergartners. The school looks amazing, so congratulations on all the hard work you've been doing.
Thank you. I want to take this opportunity to really thank the entire Rollins School staff from the top to the bottom. Everybody's worked very, very hard to get this school going. And I also want to thank the school department, and in particular, the mayor of the city of Lawrence, Dan Rivera, who did an outstanding job making sure this school was restored.
We're here at the newly refurbished Rollins School. Last year when we had our unfortunate incident with the fire, everybody was concerned. This is a historical building. Can we get it done in time for school opening? And we absolutely thought we could, and we absolutely did it because of the hard work of the school staff, the contractors, the city staff all came together and said we want these kids back in their classrooms. So we're very excited about this, and we're going to just give them all a big hug and welcome them on their first day of school.